This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Kim. Introducing this beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath 3-car garage home located in the highly desirable Debary area. Featuring soaring ceilings and a split open floor plan with a kitchen overlooking the spacious formal living room. And a formal dining room, perfect for entertaining guests. No carpet, you will find laminate wood and tile flooring throughout. Relax and enjoy the view of your own private backyard from the Florida room over 500 square feet, which is equipped with its own air conditioner and hurricane-proof window. The large master bedroom spotlights a walk-in closet and an attached master bath with a dual sink vanity, separate shower and soaking tub. Water softener included, connected to the entire home. It also has a deep well for irrigation, saving you money on your water bill. New 2019 paint, inside and out. Great location, only minutes away from major highways, shopping, restaurants, Florida Springs, Sunrail, and more. Don't miss out. For more information, review the details below.